is mean. Here we go. Check it out. Number 5. Your playback. By number 5 in a wheat field, Fatcat cruising in islands. Break, break, break. By 5, yo, watch your back, man. They all heard that gate, man. They all want to climb on your back. Take your number 5, Fatcat in a mobile cruising in islands. Aloha. By 5 in Kansas City. Take it around the week, man. He's sounding awfully good. Blessing around our household, and welcome back to the weekday. Number 5, your friend in islands, old Mr. Fatcat, cruising his pick-em-up truck. Aloha.
The Mobile to Mobile, Chevrolet to Chevrolet. I hope that's what you got. Fatcat, I'll see you.
That's what you said, Chevrolet to Chevrolet, man. I hate to disappoint you, but I got a Ford pick-em-up truck, but I got a car pick in Tahoe I'm working on there. And when I come up with that mobile, it'll be 10 times deadlier. Take it, number 5, bump it down there later on Kansas City. That Chevrolet sounding awfully good in my mobile. Take it, 5, one more time. Bye, bye, boo, boo, boo. Aloha.
And my Lord Jesus. Chevrolet Suburban. Take care of Fatcat. Do it again. We need Chevrolet.
Aloha. I'll holla.
Hello around the Big Island. Hello out there around the Big Island.
I hear somebody waving to the Big Island, but look around Honolulu. I heard somebody waving to the Big Island, but look around Honolulu. Old Fatcat working his mobile in the mini grass. Come on down, old Fatcat, downtown Honolulu. Bye, boo, 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 boo.
Right on Fatcat, wasn't nobody but false cartwright. Hey Fatcat, wasn't nobody but the man with the big old hat around the wall waving a hand. False cartwright.
Hey boss, you got it right, man. That guy, you letting that guy pick a hammer down, man. It's too mean. Hello boss, check your audio out. Well, you cutting lips and taking names. Put it on your lid. A Fatcat in the islands. Break, break, break.
I appreciate it, too, Fatcat. Hey, Fatcat in the islands, I appreciate you rolling that water.
Bye. Put it on your later, man. Bless it around the household, and welcome back to the weekday. Oh, Mr. Fatcat rolling his mobile around the mini grass. Break, break, break. I like the way you do it, cartwright. I like the way you do it, Fatcat. The mobile, bye. Boo, 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 boo. It might be a Ford, but you got to go and I appreciate, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate the flaws, man. But you gotta see some of them fucking for yourself, man. Because you show it off for sure real run a minute. Put it on you later, my friend. You know who it is. Out there cruising around the grass. Break, break, break.
Bye-bye.
Boo, boo, boo.
$29.05.
if I can take a ride on a string bean and make it to Mobile, Alabama. I'll see if I can make a ride, jump on a ride on a string bean and make it to Mobile, Alabama. Old fat cat in Hawaii. Old fat cat cruising on the back of the bean. Bye, bye, bye. Around the bottom side of the BAM, old fat cat's Mobile in a mini. Fat cat working his Mobile in a mini grass. Break, break, break. Hello, small station, fat cat in Hawaii. Hello, small station, fat cat in his Mobile in the grass. Break, break, break. Hello, Mr. OFF. Hello, Mr. OFF. Where you cruising around the grass skirt state? Hello, Mr. OFF. Where you skinny dipping around a minute? OFF. Fat cat says, come on down. Break, break, break. Bye, OFF. Bye, OFF. You got a whole car picking stations trying to jump up on your back, man. But right about now, you got the 20 located perfect for the mini grass. So yeah, Mr. OFF, bump it down on you later. OFF, your friend in the land of the palm trees and the beautiful women. OFF, fat cat's Mobile. Fat cat working his Mobile in the grass. Break, break, break. Aloha. Hello to that station waving to Honolulu, man. I heard you when OFF got off the key. Old fat cat in a mini grass. Break, break, break. Don't forget, somebody clean out my radio, man. OFF got my ears pinned back right now in Honolulu. But I heard Troublemaker talking to string beans, so I'll see if I can wave to Troublemaker. Hello, Troublemaker, fat cat in the islands. Troublemaker, fat cat cruising his Mobile in the islands. Break, break, break. Bye, Troublemaker, fat cat. Troublemaker, fat cat in the islands waving. Bye, bye, bye.